How to make crispy hash browns. Ingredients you'll need: 2 medium russet potatoes, shredded, 1/2 medium onion, finely chopped, 1/4 cup all-purpose flour, 1 large egg, 1 cup oil for frying, or as needed, salt and pepper to taste. Making crispy hash browns from scratch is surprisingly simple, and with a few expert tips, you'll get the perfect result every time. Let's break down the process step by step so you can make crispy, golden hash browns just like your favorite diner. Step 1. Shred the potatoes. Start by shredding your potatoes. While you can use a box grater, a food processor, or mandolin will make the task much faster. The key here is to shred the potatoes as evenly as possible to ensure consistent cooking. Step 2. Rinse and dry the potatoes. Once you've shredded the potatoes, rinse them in cold water. This helps remove excess starch, which can prevent the potatoes from becoming too gummy. Continue rinsing until the water runs clear. Afterward, you need to get rid of as much moisture as possible. The more moisture you remove, the crispier your hash browns will be. To do this, you can use a dish towel to squeeze out the excess water, or use a salad spinner. Step 3. Bind the potatoes. To hold the hash browns together, you'll need to add a couple of binding agents. For this recipe, we use flour and a large egg. The flour helps absorb any remaining moisture, while the egg binds everything together. You can also add finely chopped onion for extra flavor. Step 4. Heat the oil. For the crispiest hash browns, you need to heat your oil to the right temperature. Use a heavy skillet and pour in enough oil to cover the bottom of the pan. Heat the oil over medium-high heat until it's sizzling. This step ensures that the hash browns will start to crisp up immediately. Step 5. Form the hash browns. Once the oil is hot, it's time to form the hash browns. You can either make one large hash brown that covers the bottom of the skillet or form multiple smaller, pancake-like hash browns. Press them down gently to ensure they cook evenly. Step 6. Fry until golden. Fry the hash browns for about 5 minutes on one side, or until they're golden brown and crispy. Then flip them over and cook for another 5 minutes until the second side is equally crispy and golden. Be patient here. You want that crispy, satisfying texture. If you're making one large hash brown, you can cut it into quarters to make flipping easier. Step 7. Drain and serve. Once cooked, remove the hash browns from the pan and place them on paper towels to drain any excess oil. Season with salt and pepper to taste and serve hot. They are perfect on their own or with a side of ketchup, hot pepper sauce, or even a sprinkle of cheese.